Finding a good home is important for every family. It's not just about having a roof over your head, it's about creating a space where memories are made and dreams are nurtured. But for many, it's getting harder and harder to find a place they can afford. Rising costs and stagnant wages mean that the dream of homeownership is slipping away for many families. Houses cost a lot, and it's tough for young families to buy them. The real estate market is booming, but that boom is leaving many behind. Young families are finding it nearly impossible to save enough for a down payment, let alone afford the monthly mortgage. We need more homes that are budget-friendly. Affordable housing isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. Building more affordable homes can help bridge the gap and provide opportunities for families to thrive. These homes should be safe and comfy. They should offer the same sense of security and comfort as any other home without the hefty price tag. They should also fit the needs of small families starting out. Starter homes that are designed with young families in mind can make a huge difference in their quality of life. It's time to think differently about building homes. Innovative building techniques and new housing plans can help us create more affordable options without sacrificing quality. We can create great places for families without breaking the bank. Let's explore how we can make affordable housing a reality for everyone. Together we can build a future where every family has a place to call home. One way to make homes cheaper is to keep the design simple. Think clean lines and basic shapes. A square or rectangular house is usually cheaper to build than a complex design. Fewer corners mean less material and faster construction. Remember, simple doesn't mean boring. With some creativity, a simple design can be stylish and practical. It's about making smart choices that save money without sacrificing style. Building materials can make a big difference in cost. Some materials are cheaper but still good quality. Instead of expensive hardwood floors, consider engineered wood or laminate. They look great and are much more affordable. For countertops, explore options like concrete or butcher block. They offer durability and style at a fraction of the cost of granite or marble. Section 4. Maximizing space efficiency at its best. In today's world, where urban living spaces are shrinking, making the most out of every square foot is crucial. Small families don't always need huge homes. In fact, a well-designed small home can provide all the comfort and functionality a family needs without the excess space that often goes unused. Clever use of space can make a small home feel much bigger. Thoughtful design elements such as multifunctional furniture and strategic layout planning can transform a compact area into a spacious living environment. Open floor plans are great for this. By eliminating unnecessary walls, open floor plans create a sense of flow and continuity, making the home feel more expansive. They combine living, dining, and kitchen areas to create one large, flexible space. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also promotes family interaction and connectivity. Built-in storage is another smart idea. Custom-built shelves and cabinets can be tailored to fit the specific needs of the household, maximizing storage without sacrificing style. It uses vertical space effectively and reduces the need for bulky furniture. Every inch counts. Utilizing vertical storage solutions such as tall shelving units and hanging organizers can free up floor space and keep the home clutter-free. Section 5. The positive ripple effect of affordable housing. Building affordable homes isn't just about putting a roof over people's heads. It's about creating a foundation for a thriving community. It's about building stronger communities where people feel connected and supported. When families have affordable housing, they have more money for other things like groceries, education, and healthcare. This extra spending boosts the local economy, helping small businesses thrive and creating jobs. Affordable housing also provides families with stability and a sense of belonging. Children can stay in the same schools, and parents can maintain steady employment. They can put down roots, build lasting relationships, and become active members of the community. Everyone wins when we invest in affordable housing. It creates a ripple effect that benefits not just the families who live there, but the entire community. From increased community engagement to better health outcomes, the positive impacts are far-reaching. Affordable housing is more than just a place to live, it's a cornerstone for a better future for all. Section 6. Join the movement, build a better future. We can all do our part to make housing more affordable. Support builders who prioritize affordability and sustainability. Share this information with others who might find it helpful. Together, we can make a difference. Let's build a future where everyone has a chance to own a safe, comfortable, and affordable home. It's time to make a change.